Well, let's check out the new cooler. Looks pretty cool. So why did I pick this cooler? 37 quarts. It's a decent size cooler. It'll fit what I need. Number two, it's plug-in. So I do have my Blue Yeti power station that I bring camping with me too. So that's what's going to run it. So we'll check the power throughout camping to see how much it draws, what it looks like, and how often do I need to recharge my power station to keep up with this cooler slash fridge. So we'll see. Number two, wheels. It had to have wheels. I'm done with carrying coolers. I've moved up into my 40s, and I no longer want to carry an actual cooler. I needed to be on wheels, so that's good. Simple to use. Amazon Prime Day, this size cooler was under $200 for Amazon Prime Day. So great deal, good pickup. Let's check it out. So you can plug it in the car. This is called the car refrigerator. So it can be used in the car constantly as the car is running, and then also you got your basic 110 plug. So that's pretty cool. That's what we'll be using. We'll see how that goes. All right, good. There we go. All right, so one basket. One big basket for the cooler. I think you could do separate, one cooler, one freezer. Separate it. There we go. Okay, found the plug right here under the control panel. There's the plug, DC. Let's plug that in. Okay, we're fully charged here. Plug it in. Oh, turned itself right on. There we go. Now run is green. It's on 74. I'm guessing it's 74 inside there. I hear it running. Very quiet. So what are we pulling for wattage? 37, 38 watts. Pulling 38 watts to run the compressor. Okay. Let's see, how do we get the temperature set? Temperature set button. Plus to increase the temperature 1 digit, minus to decrease the temperature 1 digit. Temperature to desired value by pressing the plus and minus button. -4 to 68. Oh, it's set for -4, so we don't want -4. $38. Set it for 38. Okay, I think that's it. So very simple. You can adjust the temperature as needed by just pressing plus and minus. You can get deeper into the parameters by pressing and holding set for 3 seconds. Right now it's gone from 74 to 60 degrees in about the past minute and a half, so that's good. And it looks like we're well on our way. So we'll start stocking this thing up and get it ready. All right, we'll check back in on this cooler. We'll see how it's going. Looks like we're down to 47 degrees. It went from 78 to 47 fairly quickly there, so we're good. There's the AC plug. See, we're still drawing 38 watts. We're up to 58, so it must take a little extra to really get it going, so that's good. It's got the vents here on the side. Yep, you can see it, feel it sucking in there. Okay, keep that unblocked. Looks pretty good. I like it a lot. It's got a nice little clip here to hold the handle down, so, which is cool. Keep that secure. All right, very cool. We'll see how it goes. We'll check it out this camping trip. I'll keep you posted. We'll update the video before we post it, so if you're gonna get one, you'll know what you're getting yourself into. All right. Well, here's that progress report or update that I promised you in the beginning. So the cooler worked great. I was on a 7-day camping trip. The only issue was it drained the battery in my battery pack every 24 hours. Luckily, my brother's site had electric and we were able to tap into that. Other than that, we're good to go. With that said, I'm really pleased. I truly enjoyed this cooler. Thanks for watching, and get your butt out there. Get an electric cooler. It's fun.